Tired of wondering how much you can spend with Beforepay? Feeling like you're constantly checking your balance, only to find out you're short? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're cutting through the confusion and showing you exactly how to check your Beforepay limit. We'll cover all the bases, from the simple in-app methods to some handy tips and tricks. So, grab your phone and get ready to take control of your Beforepay spending. Beforepay is a fantastic tool for managing your cash flow, but it's crucial to understand your limits to avoid any unexpected fees or overdrafts. Knowing your limit empowers you to budget effectively and make informed spending decisions. The easiest way to check your Beforepay limit is directly within the app itself. Open the Beforepay app and navigate to your account overview or balance screen. Look for a section that clearly displays your available credit limit. This will show you how much you can currently spend using Beforepay, ***. Let's make it even easier. Imagine your screen. Look for a circular progress bar. This bar usually visually represents how much of your limit you've already used. It provides a quick and intuitive way to understand your spending capacity. For a more detailed view, you can often find your limit information within your account settings or profile section. Look for options like credit limit, spending limit, or available balance. This section may provide more information about your limit, such as how it's calculated or if there are any options to adjust it. Pro tip: regularly checking your limit is key. Make it a habit to review your limit before making any major purchases. This will help you avoid any unpleasant surprises and ensure you're spending responsibly. Important note: your Beforepay limit can fluctuate. Factors like your payment history, income, and overall creditworthiness can all influence your available credit. Keep a close eye on your limit, as it may change over time. Don't let uncertainty about your limit hold you back. By understanding how to check and manage your Beforepay limit, you can confidently use this valuable financial tool to your advantage. Budget smarter, spend wiser, and take control of your finances with Beforepay. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.